So what is the future you think of AI is now? If we can go on the route of making things more efficient, why would we need more expensive GPUs?
So I think that when you're using the compute on running the model on your computer, that's just inference. So that's not the model being trained on your computer. So I think, but to answer your question, I mean, a lot of the large language models that have been being trained, those are that's for training that's happening across, multiple different GPUs, simultaneously at the same time, usually in a data center. That's what's happening there. And but yeah, I mean, where do things end up? Like, what does the future look like? I mean, I think that we're going to have just a lot more optionality in terms of what things look like. So I think one of the big things about DeepSeek was that the model was open source. And what does open source means? Well, it means you can download it and put it on your computer. Right? And I think that I've seen statements from some very prominent SF large language model companies saying that they're rethinking their approach to not open sourcing stuff.
Yeah.
And so I think that's going to be pretty interesting, because what's that going to do? That's going to mean that, okay, yeah, they have the latest frontier model that they've trained for however many hundreds of millions of dollars or billions of dollars. But you and me as individual people can just download the weights of that model, run it on our computer, and interact with it in a meaningful way.